Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share to you guys what's inside my travel bag. So I got this duffel bag from Sagada Weaving. I ordered it online sa Lazada for I think almost 2,000. So medyo malaki siya. You can use it for 3 days and 2 nights travel or 2 days and 1 night. It depends kung paano kayo mag-e-empake. So, marami siyang pockets. Merong dalawa sa sides and sa back and front. So, you can use it as a sling or a handbag. So, meron siyang botones bago yung zipper. So, very secure yung gamit. Though, hindi nga lang siya waterproof, kaya medyo ingat yung mga gamit sa loob. So, when you open it, first, I have my shawl. So to keep me warm during my travel, my makeup pouch, and my bucket hat, which is uso siya ngayon. I got this for only 100 pesos. And I also have my pouch for all my chargers, wires, USBs. And next is my undergarments na nilagay ko sa isang travel cube, and then nilagay ko pa ulit sa isang used plastic. So, yung mga nade-deliver sa akin from Lazada and Shopee, I'm still using it to pack my things. And then next is another used plastic from Beauty Manila. So, all my toiletries, toothbrush, shampoo, and this mouthwash bottle, I put the combination of shampoo and conditioner here. So, hilig ako mag-reuse ng mga plastics na pwede pang gamitin for travel, lalo na kapag sa beach. So I also have my sling bag from Cambodia. I got it from a friend. It's very cute and colorful, very fashionable. And I also have my aqua bag in case of island hopping. You know, kapag maglalakad sa beach, kailangan secured lahat ng things. Yeah, para kahit saan ilagay yung gamit, kahit mabasa siya, hindi mababasa yung personal things mo sa loob. So I'm still using also reuse plastic bag from deliveries. So next I have my pouch of accessories for my earrings and bangles, you know, for OOTD. And for my first travel cube, I have all my swimsuits here. I am bringing 3 swimsuits for 2 days and 1 night. So I love swimsuits. First, I have the crop top rush guard. First swimsuit. And second pair of two-piece. I got it from ENC Clothing, guys. And next is my third beach cover-ups. Another beach cover-ups. It's very cute. My dress, my malong. My bikini from Rose, thank you Rose, and my favorite towel light. So the secret to pack light is to have your towel light para hindi na tayo magdadala ng makapal na towel. So here's my favorite malong from my mom. So favorite ko siyang gamitin kapag ayoko gamitin yung blanket sa hotel. So I also have my second travel cube na laman niya lahat ng aking casual clothes. So this plastic bag, I used this plastic bag for many times na for the past travel. So tinatago ko lang siya after kung mag-unpack pagka-uwi ko sa bahay. So for this Sega travel cube, I have my terno here, the shorts and the shirt, beach cover up, a dress. So ikot lang siya para mas mabilis yung packet, hindi kagad magugusot. And I have my another cover up kapag magsisurf ako para pag umangat yung two-piece. So, you know, para safe tayo dyan. And then next, I also have my dress. from Tita Jean. Thank you. And this, the crop top I made. Ayan, sinubukan ko lang siyang gawing belt. It's very cute. And my skirt. So, I also have my sunblock for my face. Nivea. Yan, safe naman nilagay yung mga gamit sa gilid since malalim yung pocket. Minsan nga hindi ko na mahanap yung gamit ko, sobrang lalim yun. My favorite Nichido final powder, my hair lotion from Manea, good for curly hair. And my favorite moisturizer, Nivea. And my moisturizer, aloe vera moisturizer spray. And it's an, yung oil na nauuso ngayon kapag stress ka. And this tin can is from Sunny Sif. Yan, mga oil dyan kapag kailangan. Yan, dalawa sila. Nakalimutan ko na kung yung isang oil na yan. Basta yung isa stress away oil. And my bangles. The next one, let me check this pocket. Oh, my deodorant. And my alcohol. Ayan, medyo malalim siya guys. So, that's it. I think yan na yun lahat. And I also have my second bag which is for my travel pillow. And dito ko rin nilalagay yung pouch for my cameras kasi mas gusto ko nakabukod sila para secured. Ayan, travel pillow from Valai's birthday. I am bringing Sony WX500 and SJ4000 Wi-Fi. SJCom 4000 Wi-Fi. So that's it. Ibabalik ko na lang ulit yung mga gamit ko sa bag. And thank you for watching.